Hello, everyone. Good evening, everyone. So it's been quite, I think, about a week. I dropped a video last. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for one or two comments. I really appreciate it so well. For those that did well to subscribe, I really appreciate this so well. I really appreciate this, and I do hope that you would continue to invite your friends, subscribe, just help this YouTube channel to grow. There's a whole lot in stock for this channel, but we are scratching the surface. Very soon, we are going to hit deep into the major content. So, welcome to today's session, and we're back at it again. So, today's for the weekly forecast. Last week, I predicted that DXY was going to drop, YEN basket was going to drop, and I said that GBP USD and the likes, that's dollar quoted pairs and yen quoted pairs too. I told you that they were going to spike up, and that was exactly what happened in the market. That was exactly what happened in the market. So today again, we're just going to predict or forecast or analyze a kind of top-down analysis what we should expect in the market for the week. And like I said, I'll be dealing with more of DXY yen basket. Yeah, I remember last week I said I was going to drop a video on BTC. Honestly, I was going to, but I got fixed and I got so busy that I forgot. At some point, I remembered and I was too tired to even open my laptop and do anything. I traded just, I think, about two or three times last week. I didn't trade like so much. I was, in fact, and those trades were just sparring trades. They were not something I did back to back. All right, so let's quickly rush into um today's breakdown so that I don't take much of your time. So starting with I think DSY. So let's go to the monthly. Let's just go to the monthly. So like I told you last week, I love to squeeze in and squeeze out. Don't forget we are still in a downtrend for DXY. Do not be deceived. We are still on a downtrend for DXY because the overall trend is a downtrend. Every buy move you see on DXY are just kind of um should I call it their retracement kind of, or maybe some trends inside the major trends, which is also called retracement. So, but overall, we've not broken out of a major point to say we changed or shifted structure to begin to spike up. So DXY is still down, like down overall, down. But because it is down on monthly or weekly time frame doesn't mean you should just begin to sell on lower time frame. Yes, it's safe. If you find a very good entry to write down, that should be a swing or a kind of position trade. If you find it, fine. But if you don't find it, or maybe you're a day trader, you want to trade daily, or you're a scalper, you should find trades, different setup inside this major setup. However, we should know that we are trading cautiously or carefully when we are buying against the trend of the market. The market is actually a downtrend. Dollar is going down. There's going to be a crash on dollar. There's still going to be a crash on dollar, like crash, 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 crash. So, um, however, nothing is certain in the market. It could probably pick up momentum and spike up, break this previous structure, and maybe it begins to shoot up. Whatever happens, but for now, let's analyze what we see. So dollar is presently a downtrend. So now let's head to the current point we have. The current point is also a downtrend because you can see for how many months now? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see this strong momentum down, these four candles straight down, 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 sells. Then you can see the bullish momentum that came in. It was not strong as like it couldn't even beat any of them. Then now we can see the sellers came in again, so which is telling us DXY is still strongly a downtrend. So I don't think I need to check the weekly again. So I'll just head straight to 4 hours. So after heading to 4 hours, I was able to pick some very key areas that I might be looking out for to shoot or take my trade from. You can see it is bearish on 4 hours also. It is clearly bearish on 4 hours. So now there are two areas I might be looking out to probably strike DXY from. There are two areas for me. I don't know if you do your own analysis and you probably use your strategy. I'm not going to override my strategy with yours. It is wrong. I won't do that. I won't do that. It's totally wrong. It's not ethical. So um, for me, like I said, my perspective for me, I'll be looking out to take DXY from here down, at least to this first level for now. To this first level for now. Like I'll be anticipating that this thing just continues down, or at most, another thing that could probably happen is sorry, I'm looking for something. Another thing, okay, yeah, another thing that could probably happen is probably DXY coming down a bit. And this is not that pick, sorry. The thing that could probably happen again is maybe DXY coming down a bit, taking probably coming to tap into this again and just going down. So that's like my first bias for DXY. I feel the DXY is going to continue to drop from here. However, if it decides to just maybe come down a bit and go up, do something like this, and come down, yeah, no problem. Any which way, I'm still predicting that DXY has a journey to go down, like down. And this stop point is just like first bus stop. We still have some way down for DXY to go. So that's that for DXY. Let's go to Yen Basket. So for Yen Basket, if you come to the monthly, you see that Yen Basket has not many information for us to see. You can see it outrightly down, 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 down. Then if you go straight to daily, we can see it is around the very major level now. And you can see the rate at which it responded. There was a very strong push down. The rejection was crazy. So pardon me for using crazy. So the rejection was very deep. Yeah, let me use the correct term. So the rejection was so deep. You saw it. And so we are anticipating that yen basket also should be going down, like going down. I told you something. I said many times you'll see that GJ and GU move almost alike, just with different patterns. They move almost alike. Sometimes you'll see that when GU is buying, GJ will also pull some kind of buy stunts. And as they are both GBP based pairs. So yeah. So most of the time I've come to see also that many times yen basket and DXY sometimes move alike. So as a result of them moving alike, you would see that stuff like GU, GJ, they begin to most almost do the same thing. Like it might just be at different pace, different volatility and all that. So, but they are both volatile pairs, very volatile. So, and that's because, yeah, they are both volatile pairs. So from here now, we can see the reaction on GJ on the daily. Sorry. So I come down to 4 hours, you can see a very strong engulfing candle, a very strong engulfing candle. Yeah, very strong, very strong. Like consumed almost like two candles from the bullish trend, the previous bullish trend. So this is a very strong engulfing candle. So I'm predicting, and I feel like yen basket should be going down. And if it's going to go down for the first bus stop, like maybe we might be targeting this place first, like here, yeah, might be pushing down here first. It could just drop straight away like this, or and straight away. When I mean straight away, I mean it could just come with some momentum, like maybe like three candles, two candles, or even maybe one, possibly something like this. Maybe one, something like this could happen. because we have some major news this week. So if we could do something like this, then come up again and then shoot down. However, the sum or the directive prediction is that um, yen basket also is heading down. Yeah, so that'll be that for this week analysis. So if you trade anything that has to do with yen baskets, you know what to look out for. Definitely, I know when you're trading, those people that are trading anything that has to do with yen basket, I know definitely you're trading yen as a quoted pair. So if the yen is going to drop, definitely you should be looking to buy in those currencies that yen is a quoted pair. Then for DXY on the other hand, if DXY is also going to drop, so you should be looking to buy on pairs that dollar is a quoted pair. Then for currencies like USD where dollar is the base pair, you should be looking to short also. I think even for US 32, you should be looking to short. You should be looking to short. So that'll be that for this weekly forecast. Please, like I always say, your correction is well and most welcomed. Please ensure you like, you subscribe, you comment, you even share this YouTube channel with your friends. And please just do well to encourage us. Do well to help us fire and trigger the YouTube algorithm to begin to speak well about us and carry our names. Be our name. Yeah, because yeah, definitely when they speak of our name everywhere, you are the fan that actually made it happen. So please ensure you subscribe. Click the like button. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe again and again and again and again. Then click the notification button also, toggle it on. Then make your comments, make your corrections. They are most welcome and I would really appreciate it. I would really, really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it. Funny enough, one thing you should know, um, my identity is still very hidden for now. But one thing you should know behind the scene is that I can learn from anyone. I trained my students, sometimes I learn from them. So no one's an isle of knowledge. And you should always seek for opportunities to learn and not an opportunity to die because when you stop learning, like they say, you start dying. So thank you for joining this channel. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for the corrections ahead. So let's have a profitable week. I know the market will open by exactly 11 p.m. Nigeria time. So I trust that we'll have a profitable week and everything will just go well in our direction. The losses might come in between, but I pray I would have a profitable week in Jesus' name. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and God bless you.